All right, so this chapter 5.6 deals a little bit more explicitly with exponentials and logarithmic functions as far as how to take their integral. Some of it you have already seen before. We did some of this in 4.10, and they'll have additional ones as well. So if you look here, this is pulled from your book, the rules for integration for exponential functions. The top one you've done before. Integral of e to the x, just e to the x. I've even done some examples, or at least an example with some substitution. We'll do another one here. The second one is new. So the second one says for any value as opposed to just e, if we take its integral, we get that same value to the x again over the natural log of whatever the value was. All right, so let's try to do these problems. These problems are on page 605. And let's see. All right, so number 321, we're going to need a u substitution because that doesn't fit what we need. So we're going to let u equal negative 3x, which will make our du equal negative 3 dx. Now, we have a dx to replace. We don't have a negative 3, so we're going to have to let our dx equal du over negative 3. So this then becomes negative 1/3 integral of e to the u du, which we can easily do. That just provides us with the value again. So this equals negative 1/3 e to the u plus c, which when we replace it is negative 1/3 e to the negative 3x plus c. And when you take the derivative of c, it's 0, obviously, but if you take the derivative of the first part there, our negative 3 comes down in the chain rule to cancel out the negative 1/3, and we get our value back. So there's no problem there. All right, so here's one that we'll use the second property with here. Our a is equal to 3. Okay, we're going to let u equal negative x. So du equals negative dx, which means this equals negative integral of 3 to the u du. So looking at the bottom formula there, this is going to equal negative. We'll keep the negative there. So 3 to the u over ln of u plus c. And when we substitute back in, we get negative 3 to the negative x over ln of 3 plus c.